So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to attach a document to an event on Google Calendar. So first you have to create an event. So I've already created my event, so I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to go to edit. So once you click on edit, it'll bring you to this page. So down here it shows all of the little icons, and this is the add attachment one, the little paperclip. So you click on it and it'll bring you to this page. So then you go to upload and select files from your device or wherever you want to upload it from, and you just click on whichever one you want to upload. So I'm gonna just upload this one and I'm going to press upload. So it'll appear in the little box underneath and you can just press save, and once it's saved, whoever you're sending your event to will also get the attachment, the attached document. So they'll get your invite, I guess, and your the document that's attached to it. So that is how you attach a document to an event on Google Calendar.